Now to demonstrate this AND operator, we will do one demo. We will go to the looks category. We will say hello for 2 seconds and we will use first join operator. Here we will write true and true is. We will keep it over here. And what are we going to compare? We are going to compare two Boolean values. So how to compare those two values? You again go to variables. In our Boolean values list, we have true and false. So if we and these are called item 1 and item 2. So we will use this code block item 1 of Boolean value. What should it display? It will display true value because item 1 is true. And if we write here 2, it will say false because item 2 is false. So we will be using this here. And one more here. I will first reduce the size and keep it here. Yes. So you understood what is our state block doing? It is telling us join 2 and 2 is if the both for for this to return two values, both should be true. So what will our tiger say? 2 and 2 is true. And if we use here false value, then what will our tiger say? 2 and 2. No, we will be using only true value here. Got it? Same way we will duplicate it. Yes. And here we will write true and false. True and false is, so this value is returning 2, so we want this value to return false. So now what will be our answer? 2 and false is false. The line is telling us. Same way, we will again duplicate our code block. And now we want false. We want to know about false and true. So we will write here false and true. And so this value should be false. We will make it 2 and this value should be true. We'll make it 1. So what should be our answer? False and true is also false. And if both are false, then can you guess what should be the answer? Yes. The answer will be false and false is false only. Hope you understood it. Try to do it one time, then you will get a clear picture. So we see that we get the true value only if both these values are true. Otherwise, we always get the false value. Now, we are going to look at the OR operator. This is different than the AND operator. In this, either of the value is true, the answer will be true. So, this is the opposite of AND operator. If both the parameters are returning the value true, the output of this parameter of this OR operator will be true. If either one of the value of the parameters is true, then also the output of this OR operator is also true. If both the parameter is false, then the output of the operator will be false. So in this case, only one time it will be false when both the operators are false. So now I will demonstrate OR operator. Same way, I am duplicating my code. and instead of AND, I'm removing this AND operator and I will use this OR operator, and these items will come. I'm making the same statement again. So we will say true or true is, we are saying 2 and 2. So first item should be true and second item also true. What should be the value? Because either one is, answer will be true. True or true is true. Now we will say one as false. So we will say true and we will write here false. So what should be the value now? True or true is 2. Either one of the value is true, the answer will be true only. Again, we will say here 2, 1, and we will write here false or true or true is. Now let's see what is it. Because one of the value is true, so we will get the true value. And if both are false, then what should be the value? Yes, the value should be false. False or false is always false. Hope you understood the OR operator. Try doing it in your classes so you will have more clarity about that. Now, same way we are going to use NOT operator. As the name suggests, it is used to say the opposite of the boolean, of the value that is coming from this boolean value. So if here it is written, this parameter is returning 2 value, so it will display the opposite of this. So to demonstrate this, we will again, I am doing it quickly because I hope you have understood. So we will be removing this, and instead of this we are going to use NOT operator. Okay, and we will say this item 2 of boolean values. So what should be the answer? Answer is, what is the item 2 of boolean value? It is false. So the answer should be true. Yes, the answer is 2. If we choose here 1, then our answer will be false. Hope you understood these 3 operators. These are called the logic gates in computer science. Try doing this kind of codes, then you will have a clear picture of how they work. Okay.